Every influencer designer you admire hides two secrets. If you want to be a fashion designer, this could change everything. Secret 1. Mistakes make designers. To be great as a fashion designer, you must make mistakes. The fear of failing has buried so many talented people. Every wrong cut, every poor fit, every design that flops, those are not failures. They are training. Mistakes don't destroy you, they shape you. Secret 2. Learn from mistakes. What you learn from mistakes makes you unstoppable. Teachers' lessons can fade, tutorials can confuse you, but the lessons you learn fixing your own errors, those stay with you forever. That's why the best designers are not the ones who never fail. They are the ones who never stop learning. And here is my advice. If you imagine a design, don't be afraid to try it out. If you see a design, don't write yourself off thinking you can't do it because of fear. Remember this. Mistakes are the greatest teachers of very successful fashion designers. So here's the truth. Mistakes don't bury you as a designer, they build you. And what you learn from them, that's your weapon as a designer. The influencers you admire made hundreds of mistakes before becoming great. So don't quit. Smile because you are growing if you learn from your mistakes. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with people around you. Their next mistake might be their breakthrough. Do you also have some experiences, tips, and secrets you wish to share with up and coming designers? We are waiting for them in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in our next video.